a demand ransom of 20 million US dollars was made. Ito po ay hiningi at tinanggihan ng magulang. Katapos po nun, nung Sabado, ay naglabas po ng video na yung bata ay pinuputulan ng daliri.
Secretary, please.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Andito puro kami para isaad ang nangyari ukol sa isang kidnapping case sa isang estudyante mula sa isang prestigious international school sa Taguig City. Ito po ay naganap noong February 20. Approximately 3:45 in the afternoon ay nagbigay alam ang magulang na ang anak nila na dismiss ng 2:40 p.m. ay hindi pa nakakauwi. Subsequently, nahanap ang abandoned Everest vehicle sa off-ramp ng southbound ng C5. After which, he was only considered a missing person but assumed to be a kidnapping case. The next day, Feb 21, sa Bulacan, San Rafael.
Taguig sir, nag-report yung parents.
Nag-report ang parents. Subsequently, sa San Rafael, Bulacan, nahanap ang isang vehicle na ando doon yung driver ng bata na murdered. The driver of the child was found murdered inside another vehicle. In that vehicle, yielded information regarding the syndicate which operates in this manner. Now, the contents of that include pictures, conversations, cell phone numbers, strategies, casings of how they would do the job. Now, the driver is already deceased, so he cannot be considered a person of interest. However, the vehicle where he was found yielded evidence. Subsequently, a demand ransom of 20 million US dollars was made. Ito po ay hiningi at tinanggihan ng magulang. Katapos po nun, nung Sabado, ay naglabas po ng video na yung bata ay pinuputulan ng daliri. Nung kinalingguhan ay nagkaroon na naman ng conversation. Ito po ay humingi ang magulang ng proof of life. Yung proof of life ay pinakita yung bata na kumakanta ng paboritong awitin ng kanyang nakababatang kapatid. Kumanta yung bata, nakangiti naman, at nakita na, at mula sa video niya ay mukhang in good health. Nung Lunes ay nag-yield na ang AKG ng positive results out of the evidence found nang nagbiping na ng signal ang mga cellphone ng mga abductor. You have to understand that this group is very sophisticated. Yung tawag nila at kung nasaan yung bata ay magkahiwalay na lugar. Pero ang daming numerong naiwan doon. Kahapon, simula nung early afternoon, ay na-detect ang signal ng isang sasakyan na nanggaling doon sa listahan ng cellphone ng driver. Habang nangyayari yun, ay gumawa na sila ng hot pursuit operation. Let me make it clear na hindi nila alam kung anong sasakyan yan. Nakuha lang nila ang numero and they were tracing the signal. At approximately 8 p.m., they were a few hundred meters away from the cellphone na gumagalaw. And in that pursuit, a few minutes after, in the Parañaque area, may nakita silang isang bata na nakapajama na nakatayo sa gitna ng kalye na may benda ang kamay. The choice was pursuing the vehicle or securing the child. Obviously, ang AKG, inuna yung bata. Kinuha yung bata, dinala sa ama, at nireconcile namin lahat. Nag-identify naman, nakita na yung bata ay pinutulan ng daliri mula sa kanan. Sa kanan.
Right, sir. Right hand.
Kanan, mula dito sa dulo. Yung bata ay matapang, hindi siya umiiyak. Masaya nakita ang kanyang magulang. Pinakita ang ama ay nataranta. Dinala namin yung bata sa ospital. Nagkaroon ng maikling debriefing at ngayon ay nakahiwalay na yung pamilya. Let me make another point clear. The ransom demand went from $20 million to $1 million to no ransom being paid by the family. I would like to congratulate the AKG, the NCPRO, for their vigilant efforts in chasing after this. This is a function of effective policing. Ginamit nila ang kanilang resources, lahat ng kanilang human resources, intelligence sources, para matukoy kung nasaan ito. Let me make it clear, hindi pa tapos to ng Pogo. Uulitin ko, ito ay resulto ng Pogo. We suspect na ang tinanggal ang biktima ay galing sa pamilya na nag-ooperate ng Pogo dati. We are definite na ang sindikato na nasa likod ng kidnapping ay former operators ng Pogo din. We are definite na ang perpetrators ay ginamit ang kanilang mga former bodyguards na awol na ngayon sa serbisyo ng AFP at PNP. Awol. So they're no longer in service. So we are sure that the syndicate is still here in the country. We will make sure that they will be neutralized at the soonest possible time. We will make sure that this kind of crime will not pay at sisiguraduhin namin na ang katarungan ay mabibigay sa pamilya ng biktima. Let me make another thing clear. In this year, there have been 8 kidnap cases in the country. This year. 8. This is the 8th. 7 out of 8 resolved. Tama ba ako? Ano ba ang statistics natin?
5 of the 8, sir.
5 of the 8? Bigyan mo nga ang statistics natin. Anong statistics?
However, lahat po na-release na. All of the victims have been released and we are still investigating 3 out of the 8 cases, sir.
This puts an end to the chapter of the child. He is safe, he is secure, and relatively healthy. But this does not end with the retrieval and the rescue of the victim. The operations will continue. Sisiguruhin namin na hindi kami titigil hanggang matugis namin ang lahat ng mga responsable dito. Thank you very much.